Cheetah can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour.
It's the Monster Truck Extravaganza! The only drink made from the sweat of real cheetahs. The Mullet Contest! And the car versus air competition! In our main event, come see Monster Truck legend Billy Stumps. Be there as he attempts to jump 27 campers, the Mellowbrook High School marching band, and a pool of toxic waste. We've hidden one golden key inside a random can of Cheetah Chug. Find that key, and you will ride alongside Billy Stumps.
Ride shotgun with Billy Stumps? I must find that key.
Come on, kid.